Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your 𝗙𝗿𝗶𝗲 from my channel 𝗙𝗿𝗲𝗏. Hope you guys doing good. If you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Today I came with this new video, that is I'm going to review a product. Today this video is all about a product review. Okay guys, let me start. Guys, ignore my hairs today because I taken my bath now itself. Just ignore it. Let me start my video with this product review. Today I'm going to review this product. It's a Berina. Guys, this is a hair straightening cream for resistant of your hair. You can use this for your hair straightening purpose and for the frizziness of your hairs. Here is the product. It's a Berina cream. You can see. And I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna show. Here you will get two creams. One is Neutralizer cream and another one is hair straightening cream, and you will get another conditioner cream. It's a socket, it's a small packet you'll get, and I used that, and before reviewing any product in my channel I used that for nearly 2 months, and if the results are good only then I'm gonna review it in front of you. So the conditioner is not there right now. Guys, as I said before, you'll get this 2 cream plus 1 conditioner, and this box is worth of $260. Yeah, it's $260 when you buy this in market, but when you buy this in Flipkart or Amazon, you'll get this for cheaper than market price, and you'll get these 2 creams for you'll get this for net worth of 60 gram each. Guys, once the hair wash is done, you can use this conditioner which has been given in this box, or else you can use any other conditioner if you want. Better use this Berina hair conditioner, it's very good. Then there is a first step, you can see here only. It's mentioned as first. It is a straightening cream hair which gives you a strength for your hair. Guys, avoid applying to your scalp. Don't apply to your scalp. Just apply all over your hairs. Once you're done with that, leave it for nearly 20 to 30 minutes and rinse off with a cold or even hot water. Anything water, it's okay. Once you're done with this first step, you should blow off your hairs using a dryer. You should dry off all your hairs. And later, once your hairs are dried, you should use this second cream. Here only it is indicated. It is a fixer. Second cream. It's a second cream. Same as first procedure, guys. Take a bowl and apply some cream and use some gloves or plastic cover in your hands and apply all over hairs and rinse off after nearly 20 to 30 minutes. After that, you can see while washing itself some kind of hair straightening you can see there itself. Your hairs and all, it will be straightener. Instead of being curly like this, it will be hair straight. Once you're done with this second step, same procedure, you should blow off your hairs using a hair dryer. And once it is done, you can use your any hair straightener and you can straighten your hairs. Guys, let me first discuss about its merits and demerits. If I want to say about its merits, first point is the price is so less. You'll get this for only $260 and even less in online. Second point of merit is when we do straightening with this cream, it will be so perfect. It will act as straightening purpose and it will also act as resistant to your hairs for frizziness and all. The best part which I liked is the straightening will be remain till next wash. Yes, the straightening will be remain so long lasting. Still your next wash, it will be so nice. It will be same as first straightening which you have been done. Third point which I personally recommend is which makes your hair straightening with an silky and smooth. It remains your hairs with silky and smooth. Doesn't damages your hairs at any cost. Just use this cream and see the best results. What about first demerits? Oh my god, I can't bear the smell. Yeah guys, the first demerit is the smell is too bad. I can't say how disgusting the smell is. The smell is really so bad. It's so disgusting. Guys, let me say about second demerit of this cream. This cream, the quantity is so less. You'll get these 2 creams for 60 gram each, but the quantity is very less. You can use this only for 2 times. Yeah, and whenever you applying this cream for your hairs, you require more cream to apply to get perfect hair straightening. As I reviewed you before, it's too time consuming. Yes, it will require too many steps to be followed. First step, hair wash with conditioner by applying conditioner, and second step, you should apply this first cream. And you should leave this for nearly 20 to 30 minutes, and you should rinse off and you should dry off with the blower, and similarly once it is dried and all, you should use the second cream procedure. You should apply this to all over your hairs. Once it is done, you should leave this cream for nearly 20 to 30 minutes. When that is also done, you should hair wash. After that, you should blow off with your blower. Then you can use your hair straightening and straightening. for straightening purpose. Oh my god, it takes so long. Except this 3 demerits. When we say about the result, overall result, the result is very good, guys. Guys, it will give a professional hair straightening as such when you will do in salon and all hair salons. Every product will have their own merits and demerits, and also depends on how we'll use those products. And this is also, I'm using this from my side, as I said before, I'm using this from long back, and see, you can see it's already being over. And I suggest you friends to try it out once and see your results and comment me in my inbox after you are getting a good result, guys. Okay, and thanks for bearing me this long time. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you, guys.